Carl, what's up, baby brother?
What's happening?
Peep this. Tenpenny just came by. Said that one of them ballers that you and Smoke laid out, Lil Weasel, is getting buried and all the OGs gonna be there.
At a funeral?
Yeah, we just catch all those ball sack ass niggas at one time.
Hey, what up? What's going on, dog?
At a funeral.
Just like mamas.
What up, family?
Let's go pop these motherfuckers
What's up,
out.
man? What's cracking?
Hey, look, we gotta go do something real big.
Nigga? What up, kinfolk?
Put Grove
What up,
Street on the
dog?
map for good. For life.
All right, nigga.
Grove Street for
Let's
life.
roll.
We gonna need some allies.
I know all the public bathrooms in the
For
city.
the Grove, dude. We gotta put work in.
Hell, you my dog, man.
Let's roll, homie. Families.
I'm always there. Come on, y'all, get in.
We go around back to left Sepulcros and sneak over the wall.
Kane. Ain't that cat front yard royalty?
Yeah, so if there's a hint of trouble, he's a no-show.
Man, asshole
Ease up
trick.
some. This is it. Okay, CJ, come on over.
Toe to toe, fool.
Y'all take up positions and wait for Kane. Here he come. Looks like that buster's wearing armor. Might take a round or two to drop his ass. Okay, CJ, you take Kane, and we'll take the rest of these fools out.
We've got a 1037 in Central Vinewood. Suspect last seen on foot.
Man, get them, man.
Nice one, CJ. I'll get us a getaway car. You guys take out the rest of those balls.
What you dudes waiting for?
Look.
You need to get silenced. Come on, stay close. Hey, family's over here.
Hey, baby, how you doing?
Life is bearable.
What y'all waiting for?
Hey, man, forget it.
Okay, everybody in, let's roll.
You almost won't
Head to a 1081 in Southeast Vinewood. Suspect last seen in a blue four-door.
It's on now, bitches!
One time, CJ.
Well, damn.
CJ, you driving like a bitch.
Don't hit my body, you punk.
Man, we was a force back there. Everybody go home, stay low. We ain't seen each other all day. Copy? I'll catch you later, Carl.